The density of AAC, autoclaved aerated concrete, blocks used in modern construction can vary depending on the manufacturer and the specific type of block being used. However, in general, AAC blocks have a density range of approximately 400 to 900 kilograms per cubic meter. Some examples of commonly used AAC block densities include standard density AAC blocks. These typically have a density of around 500 to 600 kilograms per cubic meter. Medium density AAC blocks. These have a density of around 600 to 700 kilograms per cubic meter. High density AAC blocks. These have a density of around 800 to 900 kilograms per cubic meter. It's worth noting that while higher density blocks can provide increased strength and durability, they may also be heavier and more difficult to handle during construction. The choice of AAC block density will ultimately depend on the specific requirements of the building project. Autoclaved aerated concrete (AAC) blocks are used in modern construction due to their excellent performance, longevity, high strength, load bearing, and thermal insulation capabilities. AAC blocks have a wide range of density and no other industrial product covers such a range in apparent density. The density of AAC blocks used for load-bearing purposes is 350 kg per cubic meter or more, while the density used for thermal insulation purposes is less than 350 kg per cubic meter. The density of an AAC block is 550 to 650 kg per cubic meter, which is roughly one-third that of a traditional red brick. AAC blocks are around 80% lighter than standard concrete blocks. The manufacturing process of AAC blocks requires cement, sand, fly ash or silica sand, water, and aluminum powder paste. These materials are mixed together and poured into molds. Aluminum powder reacts with calcium hydroxide and water to form hydrogen gas bubbles that expand the mixture. This results in the formation of millions of closed air holes within the block that vary in size from 2 to 4 millimeters. In conclusion, the density of AAC blocks used in modern construction varies depending on their purpose. For load-bearing purposes, the density is 350 kg per cubic meter or more, while for thermal insulation purposes it is less than 350 kg per cubic meter. The overall density of an AAC block is between 550 to 650 kg per cubic meter, which makes them much lighter than traditional concrete blocks.